today is officially like the first full day of me being on my cycle, my period, whatever. And this is like one of the best full days I've ever experienced. It's so not, it's so not painful. Like I had cramps earlier today, but the cramps were on par with what I'm used to feeling on like day 3. Like they were there, but I could still work through them. I could still walk, I could still drive and not feel like worried. And that's amazing. I am really in shock. So whatever I've been doing has definitely been helping.